Alright, so this is a quick video to show you how I do compass calibrations. If you're like me, I just upgraded to 3.2. I gotta redo my compass calibrations for my drone. You can see here, I'm using an external compass and GPS for the Pixhawk. The new one apparently does both. So this is my swivel chair trick. So just get a regular office chair, make sure that it can, twist and turn. And use telemetry for this. I'm also using an OSD for my FPV, so you can make sure that everything's working, you get all the voltages and signal, and then make sure you connect with your USB telemetry module, and so get it connected. Go to initial setup, mandatory hardware, go to compass, regular manual is fine, and do live calibration. So this is the trick I do. So hit go, you'll see this graph, and I'll reference this. Let's take it here, spin it round and round a couple times, and you'll notice that it starts to draw a circle as it spins. And eventually it will center that, since everything's pretty, there you go, so it just centered. So when it disappears, that's the axis. So enough data points for this angle. Then I'm going to start with nose down, just grab it, face it down. Yes, the props are on, and you notice it's not armed, so I'm not a complete idiot. Spin it around, facing nose down. You'll start to notice another circle showing up. And I kind of like to go slow, a little fast, so that you can kind of make sure that it gets every point. You can also go backwards. Alright, so let's do this a little faster. Go to the left side. There you go. Nice and stable. Spin it around. This is particularly helpful on large quads because, it's pretty heavy and you want to make sure that you get a good plane. Alright, this is nose down. Nose up. Spin there, you notice getting a couple more circles, another plane. I'm gonna see, make sure that everything's showing up on my OSD. Okay. Now I'll do the right side. Kind of see all the different axes showing up. Get a good data set going. Alright, so we did front, back, top, front, and the last thing to do is upside down. Now here's a trick. I use one of these guys, just a regular plastic container. A lot of times because I've got stuff going on and I don't want to affect compass. So what I do is I'll just take it, put it upside down in the container, like that, and place the container on the chair. It's harder to do with one hand, so hold on a second. There you go. Alright, so that's what it looks like upside down. Then you're going to do this last axis. Spin, spin, spin. Try not to spin all over the place. A little backwards, and taking a look at the points, I'm seeing over 1,000 samples. Let's see if I can focus, and that's kind of what it looks like, and that should be it. And finally, when you're done, rebooted, reconnected, make sure that your compass is right. And there's no GPS, so okay, this is pointed north right now. Make sure that lines up. This is west. Give it a second. East, southeast, northwest, southwest. It's pretty quick. that is it. That's how to calibrate your compass.